Hi, I am Anya Satish from Excel Public School.
And I am Sahasra Jain from Excel Public School.
Today, we are presenting our project, the Smart Volume Control Shower System, a simple and affordable solution for saving water at home.
Water scarcity is a major global problem. Over 2 billion people already live in water stressed regions, and India is facing increasing pressure because of groundwater depletion and rising urban demand.
A shower bath utilizes significantly more water than the bucket bath. A typical shower uses 50 to 100 liters of water, but most people don't realize this because they never see how much water they are using.
Our survey of 32 people showed exactly this. Most respondents shower frequently, but 87% had no idea how much water a shower uses. And 84% don't use any device to measure it. Yet, a large majority said that they would love to have a simple device that shows or controls water usage.
That is why we created our smart shower. Unlike time-based showers, our system measures the actual volume of water and automatically shuts it off once a preset quantity is reached.
Here's how it works. A flow sensor measures water passing through the line. An Arduino reads this and controls a relay operated solenoid valve. When the set volume is delivered, the valve closes automatically.
There are two buttons. Button 1 dispenses a fixed volume and button 2 stops anytime. This pause and refill method makes people consciously decide before using more water.
The system is low cost, doesn't need internet or apps, and can be installed easily. It allows households to cut shower water use by 30 to 50% while building long term awareness.
With this project, we aim to bring mindfulness into everyday water usage.
Thank you.